Okay, first one of the day is this stunning Harley. This is a new client with his very first bike. This is in for a bit of trot TLC. He did have it booked in for just a regular wash, but I managed to talk him into a bit of paint correction. This paintwork is stunning, but it is very soft and has quite a few marks on it. So we're going to get it all washed, get it all minted up. I'm going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, tank, saddlebags, mud guards, etc. He isn't going to go for any ceramic. He will get that done at the end of the summer. But let's get this paintwork all buffed up, get it nice and shiny, get a bit of depth back to it. Same with these engine covers. I will polish all those up. The rest of it's going to get a bit of XCP corrosion protection, get it looking like it should. Got quite a few ingrained bugs, but once I get this washed, we'll do a little bit of a paint inspection just so you can see a before and after once we get all these bugs off. Like I said, this paint is so soft on these bikes nowadays, it doesn't take much to scratch them. So let's get some snow foam on it, get it washed, debugged, decontaminated, and then we'll crack on with a bit of detailing. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This Harley Street Glide has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, look at the gloss on that paintwork. This was in for just one of our regular full Monty valets, but I have included a two-stage machine polish. It had a couple of little marks on that bodywork, so we want to make sure to remove any imperfections. This is a two-stage machine polish. Look at the freaking gloss on that. And to top it off, as we went that far, I treated it to some Ultimaxx Signature Pro on the tank, on the fairing, top of the bags, and the front mud guard, just to make sure this bike is now properly protected for the summer ahead. We'll make it nice and easy to keep clean. Absolutely gleaming. I think this is one of Warr's own personal bikes, now looking like it should. All the wheels, all the engine cases have all had the Ultimaxx Showtime, which is a ceramic infused quick polish to remove any water spots. Absolutely gleaming. 3 hours. Get yours booked in now. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service.